In this video, I'll show you how to change the color of collection description text, which is usually visible in the collection banner section in Shopify Dawn theme. And as usual, for the purpose of this example, I change the color of the text to red. So I'd first log into Shopify admin account and then select online store. Now locate Dawn theme and then select customize. Once the editor loads at the very top, click on home page and then select collections, then click on default collection. Then on the left side of the screen, look for template and click on collection banner. And then select custom CSS. We'll be adding the custom CSS rule right in here, but first let me go back to my website and get the class selector for the collection description. Let's right click on it, then select inspect. Okay, let's take a look. We'll be targeting two class selectors, collection-hero _description and RTE. Perfect, let's go back to the editor. Let's type the following rule. Type period, collection-hero _description, period, RTE, open left and right curly braces, place the cursor in between and press enter. On the next line, type color, colon, then go to Google and type color picker in the search. Let me get the hex code for the red color. Let's pick this one. Make sure to copy the hex code, including the hashtag. Now let's go back, let's paste it right in here. Now let's save the changes. Let's go back to the website. Let's try refreshing the collection. And as you can notice, collection description is now red color, and this change will be reflected in other collections right over here. So for now, that's all for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If more Shopify tutorials, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.